Hi. I believe your name is Annie. Thank you so much for your question, and I'm very happy to reply to this one in particular. You see, in my previous life, when I was just breeding puppies, those crazy people that I was with, they hated barking so much, they had me debarked. So it's even amazing I can speak so clearly. But you know what? I still bark. I do. I still bark. It just sounds like I've been a smoker or something. So anyway, I think that what you could try to do is, well, first of all, let me just say, humans need to understand they talk, we bark, that's what we do. We protect them. We let them know that there's things blowing around outside that could come through the window at any moment. We let them know that there's potential burglars outside. So anyway, I don't know why it's an issue, so much of an issue for them. They could put on hearing plugs or something so they can't hear us. But anyway, I think this caller, if you could find a way maybe to kind of put it in with her necklaces, and maybe she would accidentally put it on, and then when she would start to talk, she would see how annoying it is to be corrected for using her words. So that, you could also tell her to try to train you a little bit, but barking is what we do. That's just not going to go away. So I would just tell her that she should try the collar on and see how she likes it. So, Annie, I hope that answers your question, and I hope you have a wonderful barking night. Bye.